It is 11:30. What time do you think this fire will be out? 9:30 tonight? That's really late. I think it will be that late. I think it's gonna be hot I think in the morning when we come out, it's still gonna be hot.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we got in here? We got I don't know if you can see, we got part of a stump from a fir tree. We got some big old logs, but most of this is from a fir tree. That's what that initial bush fire was. So let's see how these stumps do. That is one hot fire. This will be the last fire in this place because we're going to turn this area into a garden. While we're out here, let's go ahead and tour the rest of our plants that we've planted so far this year. Over here in the corner, we have 6 blueberry bushes. They didn't do too well this year because a certain 1-year-old kept eating them off the bush while they were still green. Over here we have our watermelons starting to grow. I just put tomato cages around them yesterday so that they'll be off the ground. We're in the corner of the yard. There's our compost. I stirred it up every couple of weeks. It smells great. Right over there, we have some more watermelons. All right, we got some more watermelons growing up right here. These guys are kind of struggling. This has been our biggest one. We had to cut off one of them. I might show a picture. Because it was getting some blossom end rot, we think. And so hopefully this will do better. Let's walk up here and see our figs. All right, big little Miss Figgies 1, 2, and 3. What they're getting. Look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, getting real tender. We planted them here along the fence line. When they grow bigger, oh look at this. When they grow bigger, they'll be a nice privacy screen. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Give it another day or two, they will be delicious. And up there is where we tried tomatoes. You can see what's left of them. Nothing. And there's the great tree that sold us on this house. So this whole area down here is going to be our garden. We're going to fence it off and plant everything. Sunrise is right back here. It comes and gives a lot of good morning sun down there. And then once the sun gets over the tree, it gets some decent late evening sun. Up here is where some of those fir trees were. There was 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fire has these 2. Hopefully one day I can get a shed or something built up here. Yeah, this will be where our garden is. I hope to get a lot more content of gardening. All right, it is 4:15. I stirred it up. Now I'm gonna let it burn. I don't know, I kind of want to cover it up too right now. But I think just gonna let it burn. It's 8 o'clock and there's still some intense heat coming from this. Once I get this hot the rest of the way gone, I'm gonna spread it out and see how it does through the night. Just 1 or 2 big guys that are much smaller now hanging out. Oh man, found another log. Let's find a way to get this guy burned up. Fire is not out yet.
The next day.
She gone.